False alarm.
Sky to my new cup.
Here comes Santa Claus, right down Santa Claus Lane.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Heaven, the only real Heaven. You're the only real family, and this is our only real channel. Today, we're at Target, and we're about to get gingerbread houses. And taste it. Yeah. And then we go up together. The man. Sky to my new cup. Yeah, so I found the gingerbread houses. A lot of different ones. I really think I want to do the village, but this is so cool. They have a Target store. I don't know. So I went and picked our gingerbread house that we're gonna make, and let me tell you, it's super cute, super different. So this is about to be fun. I know y'all had already seen my cup. I got my Starbucks, it's almost gone. Okay, I'm gonna show y'all what we got. What kind of gingerbread house I think it is? I have never built a gingerbread house. Yep, 22. So I built this one. Look, it got some palm trees. It got palm trees, fake sand, blue icing, a little bit of green and white icing. So it's gonna be fun. So I got all the pieces laid out, so we can start. And then these are all the decorations we're gonna use. So yeah, I'm over here thinking they done forgot to give me a piece, cause like I only got 3 walls. This piece is both of the walls, and they want me to break it. The whole house is about to be ruined before we even start. Oh, false alarm. Okay. Small wall is supposed to be blue. No, look, it's supposed to be blue. Ugh. Okay. Good luck, Charlie. One more time. Okay. Okay, y'all, I'm finished making all the pieces blue. I tried to make it look like a little ocean. I don't know. I think it looks nice. I gotta do the white parts, like the windows. You can see it through the thing. So I gotta put the windows. Original, it has lines on the roof, so I'm gonna put some lines on my roof. Boom. I like that. Little lines. This is the roof. Yeah, so I'm about to decorate the box that it's going in, and then it's going in the box. And I think I'm done.
I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about. Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about? I can tell you what.
Okay, this is what the front of the box looks like, right? Y'all see that? Okay. I'm gonna put some more blue.
Christmas is all about.
Chestnuts roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose. So I'm offering this simple phrase. Although it's been said,
This is my front of my gingerbread house. That is.
although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas to you. Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas to you.
Thank you. Okay. I'm gonna clean up, put the roof on, and show y'all the final product. Okay, y'all, I'm back. It's all cleaned up. This is what theirs look like. This is unrealistic. It's not even enough white to make it look like this. I just threw the tree away, this away. That stuff ain't even in there, y'all. But this is what we did. Y'all ready? 3, 2, 1. Okay, it came with the sand, so that's cute. And then put some little blue underneath there with some little stars, trees, our little door. Other side, back door, other side, roof. Back to the front. All right, y'all, that's it for our gingerbread house vlog. Thank you for always watching. Hope to see you in the next video. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Bye.